In Zimbabwe, ZANU PF is planning a strategic move to decouple elections. What does that mean? Essentially, they want to separate the presidential election from the parliamentary elections. Why? To keep President Emerson Mnangagwa in power until 2030, of course. Now, you might be wondering, why all the drama? Well, let's rewind a bit. Mnangagwa narrowly secured his position back in 2018, with just 50.8% of the votes, even when ZANU PF dominated the parliamentary seats. This phenomenon, known locally as Bora Musango, showed that not everyone who supports ZANU PF necessarily supports Mnangagwa. Interesting, right? But Mnangagwa isn't the only player in this high-stakes game. Enter VP Constantino Chiwenga, along with some powerful military factions. Chiwenga and his allies are not exactly thrilled with this decoupling idea. They see it as Mnangagwa's ploy to sideline them and secure his power for another 6 years. Tensions are high and alliances are shaky. This isn't just a simple political maneuver. If ZANU PF successfully decouples the elections, it could reshape Zimbabwe's political landscape for years to come. It's a chess game where every move counts, and the stakes couldn't be higher. Let's not forget the 27 proposed amendments to the Constitution that ZANU PF is pushing through. One of them will allow the President to appoint more cabinet ministers from outside Parliament, giving Mnangagwa greater control over his government. Sounds like a power play, doesn't it? Then there's the amendment to Section 161, which decouples the drawing of constituency boundaries from the national census. Why is this important? Because it gives the ruling party more flexibility in redrawing electoral boundaries, potentially influencing future elections. But here's the kicker. The bill also proposes to remove the running mate clause for the presidential election. This means the president and his deputies won't be jointly elected. Instead, Mnangagwa can pick his deputies, further consolidating his power. Now you can see why Chiwenga and the military factions are up in arms. They see these changes as a direct threat to their influence and power. And they're not going down without a fight. So what does this mean for Zimbabweans? Well, it's a wait-and-see situation. Will Mnangagwa's plans go through? Or will the resistance from Chiwenga and the military factions derail his strategy? Only time will tell. One thing's for sure, Zimbabwe's political scene is anything but boring. So, keep your eyes peeled for the latest updates in this unfolding drama. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more political deep dives. Catch you in the next one.